How to remove watermark from video in CapCut. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can remove the watermark from video in CapCut. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up the CapCut app. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. What I want you to do is simply tap on this new project option and select a video. After selecting the video, this interface will appear on your screen. So what CapCut does is keeps a watermark at the last part of the video. If you want to remove those kind of watermarks from the CapCut, what you need to do is simply scroll to the last until you see this CapCut watermark at the end. So what you're going to do is, in order to remove it before exporting the video, simply click on this. This part is already cut, so you just don't need to do anything. And on the below, you'll be able to see delete option very easily. So what you're going to do is simply click on delete. After that, when you play the video, that kind of watermark won't be available on your video. After that, simply hit the export and download that video onto your device. So therefore, by following that method, you should be able to remove watermark from CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.